Hi, this is Joe and welcome back to the shop. Coming up in September I have to do some cutting and splitting of wood for the winter. And so what I did is I recently picked up a Harbor Freight Predator 212cc chipper shredder. This is going to be an unboxing, and then we're going to go through the manual off camera. We're going to set it up properly per the instructions. And then later on, we will do some operational tests of this chipper shredder. I paid $479, right around $480 for this chipper shredder. So we're going to do the unboxing and look over the quality. And then again, later we'll run some tree limbs and branches and things through the chipper shredder, see how it works. It has a maximum capacity of 3 inches, which for me is perfect because anything 3 inches, 2-3 inches, I'm going to burn in my small fireplace anyway. So let's begin the unboxing, and we'll take a look at if this was a worthy purchase or not. As you can see, it's built on a small pallet for shipping, and it has some wood framing around the entire outside of the chipper shredder, which looks pretty interesting. Let's go over and take a peek and see what it's going to take to break this out of the shipping crate. Looks like there's some assembly to be done with the chipper shredder. Here's a handle of sorts. We have a mulch collection bag. We'll go through the instructions later, and we'll review what has to be done, how it has to be configured, set up to prior running steps. Here's the manual. There are some zip ties that hold the hopper in place.